Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to paint tiny flowers on the creeper. For this I am going to use number 2 liner brush, number 2 dagger brush, acrylic paints lemon yellow and sap green. I am using liner brush for making flowers. Moisten it first and wipe it on a tissue to remove excess water. Now take some lemon yellow color, touch the brush on the paper, pull it towards you and lift. Paint 3 petals flower. Make a stalk with sap green color. Now let's make a composition using these flowers. Paint the creeper along the corner with sap green and lemon yellow color. Paint some small branches on both the sides of the creeper and at the tip of each branch paint a flower. Also paint some flowers on the side of the small branches. Now with dagger brush I will paint leaves. I have already made a tutorial on how to paint leaves with dagger brush. I will provide its link in the description box so you can watch it. You can paint these flowers as a decoration for school projects, scrapbooks, a border for photo frame. Also you can do fabric painting using fabric colors. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.